Right, and then we want to get rid of this beautiful light for the bathroom. It's sort of old hat. So we're obviously not going to smash it. It's a bit delicate. It's not really fit for purpose. So we'll take that off. So then what we're going to put up is this new IP rated bathroom light. So let's open the box up. Get this, open it up nice and neat. And then nice new square bathroom light, LED. So let's open it up. And look at that, perfect. So we want to get this in. And it'll be better than the light that was up there. Now, because this light only has a live, neutral and earth going into it, and there's not a lot of space, what I'm going to do, I'm going to sink a 25mm knockout box into the ceiling. So then we can put this in here, and that can sit nice and flush to the ceiling. And what all these bathroom lights come with is little washers as well. Washers that will have rubber washers on as well. They can seal it once it goes up, just in case any water gets in. Which they don't, but it's handy. And then, there we go. One, go directly opposite it. There we go. And these 4 screws hold it up nice and secure. And then these are going to be a bit long. So we chop these down just a bit. Here's your live, neutral and earth in. Now let's see if it works. Right, some moment of truth. We have light, and then just to finish it off, let's put this over the top. We need to get these out and secure it on with them 2 bits. That looks quite nice, bit better.